Welcome to Let Me Fix This. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to get used to Notion step by step. Notion offers a highly flexible workspace, perfect for managing notes, tasks, and even building personal wikis. To begin, simply create a new page and start exploring the various basic block types available. You can easily organize your content using headings, bullet points, and toggle lists, making your pages clear and structured. This initial exploration will help you grasp the fundamental building blocks of Notion. Once you're comfortable with basic pages, it's time to structure your workspace effectively. Databases are incredibly powerful for managing structured information, whether it's a task list, project tracker, or content calendar. You can link related pages and databases together, building a truly interconnected system. Experiment with different views like tables, boards, and calendars to visualize your data in the most helpful way for your specific workflow. Now, let's dive into some more advanced features that can significantly boost your productivity. Notion offers a vast library of templates, allowing you to quickly set up common workflows for project management, habit tracking, or meeting notes. Consider integrating Notion with other tools you use daily to create a seamless experience. Sharing pages and collaborating with team members or friends is straightforward, making it an excellent tool for group projects. To truly master Notion, consistent practice is key. Dedicate a few minutes each day to building new pages and experimenting with different features. Engaging with online communities can provide a wealth of tips, tricks, and inspiration from other users. Additionally, watching tutorials and reading comprehensive guides will help you discover innovative use cases and unlock Notion's full potential, making it an indispensable tool for your daily life.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.